Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we have a breakfast mukbang. It is like 1 p.m. and I'm barely eating breakfast. It took me not forever to make, but when you got 2 kids, everything takes twice as long. So for today I made a banana shake, not smoothie, I didn't add no ice. Orange juice, some eggs and some bacon, and some regular French toast, and then some cinnamon toast crunch French toast. So I think I'm gonna make my French toast from this, like this, from now on, because it was really good. I did my batter different as well. I did the flour, eggs, cinnamon sugar, and heavy whipping cream. Usually I just do like a little bit of a pancake mix flour, couple eggs, and milk. You guys, I was so hungry. And sorry if I'm clearing my throat often. I think I don't know, catching a cold or something in the middle of summer. It has pulp. Who likes orange juice with pulp? I love pulp. So I hope everybody's weekend was good. I did nothing, except I went to the zoo with my family, which was fun. But it was so hot. Oh my gosh, guys. Texas heat really is so different than like anybody else's. When I'm like traveling and stuff, the heat is so different. Like it's pretty bearable anywhere else. I mean, here obviously it's bearable because I'm used to it, but your girl is sweaty 99% of the time. So I sit indoors. So later today, I'm gonna make some mini tacos. Let me know down below if y'all want me to make a video of that. Thinking about it. So for today's story time, we're going to be talking about the 2 movies that are going to come out this weekend. here at least. I don't know if they come out at different times, like somewhere else. Anyway, but the two movies that I'm super excited to see, I literally have not gone to the movies, like a movie theater, in forever, but I have been to the drive-in a decent amount of times this summer. So, Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark and Dora is coming out. I saw a preview of Dora and oh my gosh, it looks funny. So I really want to watch it. But I think me and my boyfriend are going to go watch Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark on Friday. But I don't know if we should do a drive-in or like an actual movie theater this time. Oops. Because we saw Child's Play and Annabelle in the drive-in. I mean, I didn't mind, but watching Annabelle was probably, like, out of all my drive-in experiences, was probably the worst one. Because these cars just kept, like, turning on their lights, so, like, it would, like, basically, like, cover the whole screen. And I'm just like, bruh, we're missing a vital part in the story. What is wrong with you? And they would leave them on for, like, ever. And I was just like, you guys, turn them off. So me, as a child, I do remember reading the book, Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark, so I really hope it does not disappoint. I mean, it doesn't look like it. The creatures, the ghosts, whatever, they look pretty similar to the ones in the book, actually. I mean, exact. But they don't look like cheesy, corny, like, once I see it, I'm not scared anymore type of a thing. They look really good, so hopefully the whole movie is good. And Dora has my favorite actor in it. I think he plays a small role. I'm totally blanking on his name right now, so I apologize. But if you've seen La Familia Peluche, you know exactly who I am talking about. Is that better? I love him. He is so funny. I think his name is Guillermo. Oh my gosh, I could be totally wrong. I don't know. I'll list it down here below, his name, when I'm editing this. Because his name deserves to be known. But I saw a preview of Dora and it was like her looking into the camera, and I don't know, let's say they were looking for the door. So she was like, oh, how did she do it? She was just like, can you find the door? And then it like cuts back to, I guess, her dad or her uncle, whoever's playing the dad figure there, and he was like, she'll grow out of that. But she was like, you know how like in the cartoon and stuff, oh my gosh, I was cracking up. I was like, I was wondering if they were gonna have that. I really want to know the whole like the whole storyline, because I want to know, I mean, if she's doing the things that she would do in the cartoons, like How are they taking her out, putting her, obviously that's what it's about, but I want to know. So that one too I would like to watch. I think that one I could do drive-in, but I kind of want to do movie theater for Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark, because I mean, people are just more quiet. So y'all let me know, what are y'all's plans? What are y'all gonna do this weekend? Are y'all interested in going to these showings? And are y'all a fan of Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark? Your girl is, because I am scary stories, scary anything, haunted, whatever, paranormal, whatever, fanatic. Right now I'm rewatching, well, not rewatching because I missed a bunch. So I'm watching on the Travel Channel app, Ghost Adventures. Love that show, my favorite. I've always wanted to do like a, sorry, someone texted me. I always wanted to do like a paranormal thing like that, like on my own. Well, not on my own, but like with friends or whatever. Go somewhere where it's haunted. I think I have. We went to the Midget Mansion. Not sure. Or a midget house. In Del Rio though, with my cousins. And then it was creepy though, like everything was literally midget size, and I was just like in the middle of, I think like in the middle of the woods or something. It was weird. I was like, what the heck? And here I went to the Donkey Lady Bridge, but I think it was during daytime, and I don't even think we found the bridge. Like, we attempted to go to the Donkey Lady Bridge. But it didn't work out. Where else have I gone? Oh, in NOLA. I mean, I went on their tours and stuff. I love NOLA. Super fun. Last time I went was with my boyfriend and his friend. But I was pregnant at the time with Penny, which is my youngest. So I didn't get to enjoy like Bourbon Street and all of that. And then the times that I've gone before, I went with my family and I wasn't 21, so still didn't get to enjoy it. But I want to go soon. Maybe like next summer or something. I don't know. But I think Dora is one of those just kid shows that you are not gonna grow out of. Like, you just always love it. At least for me, I don't know. I didn't start seeing the newer ones. I guess she's like older, like a teen. I could be wrong. I don't know, but that's what I saw. She was like a teen or whatever, and I was like, but it was so funny that like 3-second preview, that 3-second part, I was cracking up because she was literally like, do you know where the puerta is? ¿Dónde está la puerta? Obviously, proper Spanish. But yeah, it was funny because the dad or whatever, he was just like, who are you talking to? She'll grow out of it. That's so funny. So I think at some point this week I'll be doing my first seafood boil. Super excited about that. I might just do crawfish because your girl loves some crawfish. I love crawfish. And Eat with Kim, if you've seen her eat crawfish, you know she like devours. She eats every possible piece. She's the person that like showed me that if the claw is big enough on the crawfish, there's meat in there. And now you see me like breaking the claw. Those things are kind of pokey, but there's meat in there, and I'm just like, what the? But she like rips off the top of the head and sucks on it. Usually I just like twist, pop off, and then suck on the head. But she like rips off the top of it, sucks out the juices like that, and then like rips, I think, the first piece of the shell on the tail, and she takes out just the meat in like one slip. Your girl still has some practice on that part, but she makes it look so good. And the place I like to get my crawfish from, LA Crawfish, no doubt. So shout out to LA, because I went to Smash and Crab and I had their crawfish. It was okay. The thing I like about LA is they have, I mean, they give you the bag and it's with all the juices and stuff like that, and I love it. 1 second. Breastfeeding break. This marks interruption probably like 5,000 in this video. I've lost my train of thought like 10 times. Whatever. I'm full anyways. So, leave me down below if you're gonna go check out those 2 movies. And if you've watched Dora before, and if you've read the book before, what your expectations are of scary stories to tell in the dark. And thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know also down below if y'all want me to make record scratch, if you want me to film making the mini tacos that I will make for dinner, down below. So let me know down below if you want to know that. Yeah, guys, that's all I got for today. I hope everybody enjoyed their breakfast, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.